Hey! In front of me is Poco M5 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off the location of this Poco device. Firstly, you need to access Tab menu. Over here, look for location shortcut and when you find it, click on it. Mine is over here. Then select close in this pop-up and go back. As you can see, after that, location of my Poco is off. In order to turn it back on, click on the same icon. If you want to, you can always go into settings as well. Scroll down and choose location section over here. Then manage location of this smartphone by clicking on this switcher next to location access. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!